Good morning, everyone. I am Anusha Hiramat from ECA division. My USN is 2ST22EC012. I have given the topic of C program for congestion control using leaky bucket algorithm. The leaky bucket algorithm is a traffic shaping and congestion control algorithm used in computer networks to regulate data flow, ensuring stable and predictable transmission rates. It is especially helpful in preventing congestion in networks. I would like to explain this algorithm using real world analogy. Imagine a bucket with a constant rate leak at the bottom and a variable rate input at the top. No matter how fast water pours in, it leaks out at a fixed control rate. If the bucket fills to capacity, any additional water spills over, like it drops. This model, a buffer with capacity and a constant output rate, perfect for smoothing traffic variability. These are the steps we need to follow to implement this program. Step 1. Initialize the bucket. Define the bucket size like say maximum buffer capacity. You can assign B. Define a leak rate, say R packets per second. Start with the bucket empty. Step 2. Packet arrival. When a new packet arrives, check the current number of packets in the bucket. Now step 3. Check for overflow. If the bucket has enough space, accept the packet and add it to the bucket. If the bucket is full, discard the packet. Overflow condition, packet is lost. Step 4. Leak packets at constant rate. At regular time intervals, remove packets from a bucket at a fixed rate R. These packets are transmitted onto the network. Lastly, repeat it continuously. Continuous monitor like incoming packets, bucket levels, scheduling leak, etc. Maintain this process in a loop to ensure consistent traffic shaping. Now, let me run a program for this algorithm. This is a C++ program. We need to execute. If I compile and run this, I need to enter the output rate. I would be entering it as 10 and the bucket size I would be choosing it as 15. So you can see the incoming packet size with 11, 12 in this way. If incoming packet size is 11, bytes remaining to transmit will be 11. Time left for transition will be 10 units and packet size of 10 transmission will be byte remaining to transmit. Again, the bytes remaining to transmit will be 12 and time left will be 10 units. Bucket capacity exceeded means packets will be rejected. Again, that bytes remaining to transit will go on increasing. It becomes 13. And if the bucket capacity exceeds, the packets are rejected. You can see here. Now the bytes remaining time to transmit will be 15. Time left will be 30 units. Lastly, when the bucket capacity gets exceeded, we can print a message like packet rejected. So this is the C++ program to execute the congestion flow control for the leaking bucket. The leaky bucket algorithm is nothing but it smooths a variable input into a steady, regulated output by buffering and constant rate training. It's a foundational method for traffic shaping, congestion management, and enforcing network bandwidth policies. This was all about C program for congestion control using leaky bucket. If you have any doubts or anything to add up, you can put up in the comment. Thank you.